everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1962 Chevrolet Impala Super Sport. Stunning car, man. Just a gorgeous car. Recent frame-off restoration. We've got photos and documentation of the resto. I apologize, I'm not fully prepared for this video. Unfortunately, we've got weather coming. Got a bunch of cars I'm trying to get advertised, guys. So I'm gonna just try to get this thing done the best I can to give you a good look at it. And we can actually drive it down the road right now, which is nice, but we got about an inch of ice coming, which will just kind of kill us for a couple of days. But gorgeous car. You can see it's finished in a custom orange metallic. It's got a tan leather interior. It's got a killer set of Ridler wheels. Car's sitting on air ride suspension, so it does raise up. We've got it lowered down right now. Tennessee car. It's got 700, just over 700 miles on the resto, and very nicely done, guys. Beautiful car. You can see it's got the custom headlights in it. Chrome and stainless are very nice. I saw a couple little stone pecks in the paint that you can kind of pick at, but man, not much, guys. Not much to really pick at on the car. Looks like it was completed in 2016. Again, I got the car from a buddy of mine down in Tennessee. I wish the sun was out, man, but because you want to talk about a color that just jumps off a car. Couple little dings that you can kind of pick at in the chrome, stone peck there, but that's it. We're just nitpicking because it's gorgeous, man. Nice and straight down the sides. Does have the front disc brakes. You can see the inside of the inner fender there, or body color. We'll get it up in the air and get some good pictures of the undercarriage for you. 350 trans. It's got a Holley 4-barrel dual feed. It's got the Edelbrock polished aluminum intake, Headman headers, power steering, power front disc brakes. You can see it's got a set of the Edelbrock thinned aluminum valve covers with the air cleaner to match. Aluminum radiator. It's got a shroud on there. I think it's an electric fan if I remember correctly. Yeah, it's got the electric fan. It's got all the marked pulleys and brackets on it. I noticed, yeah, there's a couple little rub marks in the paint. We might be able to touch that up. Honestly, I don't know if we've got any of the touch-up paint. Jay, did we get any touch-up paint with it? I don't think we did, yeah. Let's see what we can come up with. Pretty car, man. Oh, Jay said we can get some made, and he's right. We can probably have a little touch-up paint made. It's all custom leather interior. bucket seats, custom console. You can see the control for the air ride. It's got an Ididit polished tilt column in it with a billet steering wheel. Really nice interior. It's got the phantom face gauges in there. It's got all custom Pioneer sound system. It's dual exhaust. I know it's got an Eaton posi unit in the rear end. I'll look that up and see what actual gear it is in it. Finished trunk area. All your, that pulls down up there, and then all your air ride components are in there. Of course, that's all your receipts. There's pictures of the restoration. Not what else? I don't know what you call those. Kicker box. Not a radio guy.
All the amps and stuff are hidden behind here.
All the amps?
Yeah.
Oh, all the amps
behind there.
Okay, Jay say all the amps and everything are hidden behind the panels. This isn't going to do you much good because we got it so low, but we'll get it up in the air and get some pictures of the underside for you. Like I say, we're just struggling here with the weather. Really pretty car. Go ahead and have Jay fired up here. That is a pretty car, guys. Jay raising it up. Yeah, they're on. You can see it's got a little clock in there, and 758 on the odometer. Hopefully you can see that. Looks like all your gauges are working. Pretty car, man. Haha. Can you operate this thing? Oh, it all works?
Oh yeah. Bluetooth, everything.
Blower motor, Jay?
Yep,
Blower motor does work. Oh, there's your pressure gauge for your air ride. Yeah, it's got those cool headlights in it. I don't know what you call them, but they're like got a halo on them. Pretty cool. Yeah, and make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page or our Facebook page. Or as always, guys, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. That is a pretty son of a gun right there.